Hi, Miss Priya.
Hi, how are you guys?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, Amma.
I'm so sorry. I forgot to submit my homework. I finished it though. Can I just turn it in after class ends?
Absolutely.
Okay, thank you.
Sid, how are you, Sid?
I'm good.
Sid, maybe I really want you to take a couple of tests.
I took one of the tests that you sent.
Did you get the scores?
No.
Yeah, I took both of them and I didn't get the scores either.
Oh my goodness. Mm-hmm.
They didn't tell us either of them.
It didn't tell you either, really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what was the name of the test you took? What was the name of the test you guys took? Tell me.
I'll go.
I did both of them.
It's
Uh-huh. You have to tell me the name of the test, Amma.
benchmark, grade 6 benchmark 3 spy review.
Whoa, 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 whoa. That's what I need, lady. Thank you.
And the other
Benchmark what,
one.
Amma? Benchmark what?
Grade 6 benchmark 3 spiral review test. Also benchmark 2 spiral review test.
You guys did not get it, you mean?
I did
Yeah.
grade 6 benchmark 3 spiral review test 35 minutes.
And I did both of them.
My question is, when did you get this?
When you posted it.
Yeah, 1 minute. I'm just checking. I just want to make sure how you all did and what is your score, all the stuff.
I didn't get my
Ayyo. Oh my God. Adrit, did I kick you out again? Ayyo, yes. Adrit, please rejoin Adrit.
Wait, like in what, Google Classroom?
Yeah, check once. Yes, I think so. Priya Nathan, right? Your mother is?
Yeah. Let me check. Well, wait. I still have the tab open. I'm still in.
Okay, let's see, guys. Okay, did you see the Google Classroom Spiral Review 2? Let me go through. Is that okay?
Okay.
Spiral Review 2, how you guys did? Yeah.
The spiral review 2 was harder than the second one, the third one.
Yeah.
Okay, Sid.
Miss Priya.
Yeah.
So can we review ratio rates again? Because I didn't
I can
understand.
definitely review, ma, but I just want to send the scores first. Can you all look at the scores?
Okay.
Ask me for any questions you have first.
Wait, where did we get the scores?
In the email. Review 2 I have already sent to you. Can you check once? I really want you to come and ask me what are the other ones that you have questions on. Benchmark 3, you're all done? The test?
In
Whoever
Gmail?
has, yeah.
In Gmail?
In Gmail, ma.
Okay.
Check now and come back with questions, guys.
So you sent our scores, right? Miss Priya?
Yeah, ma?
Wait, so basically it says that you didn't send the scores. It shows it shows the
Like how much you got right. It doesn't say what your score is.
No, it doesn't say that either. It just shows like the thing. It shows like how you sent it. It shows that you sent the thing, but it's like giving me the link into what you sent, but it's not like showing me like how many I got right or anything like that.
Oh, Sid, you have got, okay. Sid, if you're going to appear for CBE, you have got a lot of mistakes. You'll have to work on that.
Oh,
Got it?
okay.
Yeah.
Miss
Yeah.
Priya, have
So,
you
yeah.
sent the score for benchmark 3 test?
Benchmark 3 I'm sending, ma, but the thing is, I'll go over your questions as well. Okay, but what I am saying is, I clearly see that, okay, I'm going to send it to the email ID which you put in during the exam. Is that okay? Now you can ask me, review all mistakes, and we can go over it if you have questions as well. It's important that we are very thorough with benchmark 2, 3, 4 before we go to the next, right? So 2 and 3 I already released. Can you check?
Oh, I only took 2.
2 and 3 I have already sent. 3 Pranavi you have done very well.
Yeah,
Yeah, I saw that. 2.
it was pretty easy actually.
It just depends on the person, ma. So benchmark 2 and 3 I already sent. Go through the correct answers and incorrect answers. If you have any questions, ask me now. I'll help you. I'm saying, did you get it?
Miss Priya?
Yeah.
Can't see it.
I don't.
Guys, I'm telling, right? You have to go to the email ID and check. Vihan, you didn't take those tests, right, Vihan? Okay, can you do that? It's in the Google Classroom. Do you have the Google Classroom? Oh, why you don't have the Google Classroom? Can I send it to you, to your mom?
Yeah.
Okay. So, can I send it to your mom?
Yeah.
Vihan, you want it to your mom, and Vaibhav also needs it, right?
I already have the Google Classroom. Not for this class. All right, yeah, not for this class.
You don't have it for this class, right, Vaibhav?
No,
Okay, can I send it to you?
sure.
Okay.
Miss Priya?
Yeah, ma?
I don't know how to check it because it only shows that you assigned it and it says like it's due tomorrow and stuff.
Ma, please, ma, listen. You have to go to the email ID which you put in the test form.
Oh,
In
got
that, I would have released the scores to that email ID. Got it?
it. Yeah.
Yeah.
I only got benchmark 3 though.
Amma benchmark. Okay. Then did you give another email ID? Please don't confuse here. Did you put another email ID for that benchmark too?
No.
What was the email ID you're checking?
So it's just my first name dot last name at gmail.com.
Okay, first name dot last name at gmail.com you're checking. That is for benchmark 3 you're checking, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Easy, right?
Well, it won't say Izzy, but like.
Oh, first name dot last name.
Yeah.
Then you entered it wrongly. I have no way of sending it to you. Your dad's name, your name, correct, ma? You don't have the dot. It depends on, you don't have the dot there, right?
No.
Hey guys, you're wasting my time really in the class, okay? Are you checking the correct thing? You got 3, right? You got 3, right? Third,
Yeah.
did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, let me check. Let me check for 3. What is the email ID? Yeah, both have come to you. Yeah, ma, both have the same email ID I'm seeing, ma, Pugarini.
Yeah.
So you didn't get 2, you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay, I will re-release one more time. Let me as well check. It has been released. It really says that it has been released, and it has been released at 7:05, meaning 6:05 CST. Again, for the second time, I'm sending it to you. Again, I have sent it.
I
Make sense?
refresh my page.
Okay, now you can, okay, for the others, right?
I got it.
Vaibhav and Vihan you need, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
Vaibhav and Vihan, I'll send it to your moms, but I need email IDs to be sent.
Uh,
Meaning, Wait, Amma. Vihan, can you tell me the first few letters of the email ID, Vihan? Meera, right? Meera.
Yeah.
Meera Balasundar, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. For you, I think, Vaibhav, can you tell me what is the first Soumya? Can you tell me?
Soumya Ramesh G at gmail.com.
Yes. Thank you, Ma. Thank you. Thank you. So, okay. I have sent that will contain all the details of the Google Classroom. You got it? Okay. Now, let me go ahead. Benchmark 4 test has been assigned already. Okay. So, now, ratios you're all having trouble with. Correct?
Ratio rates, but yeah.
Ratio, that's okay. Ratio rates. Yeah, ratio rates is what I'm also checking with you. Okay, let's go ahead and do. Did the school finish it?
Wait, is a ratio and a rate the same thing?
Very related, ma. I'll tell you the difference, okay? Let's go ahead and try this problem. How did you find Vihan? Last week class, was it okay with you?
Yeah.
Okay, good. This class you feel comfortable, Vihan?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. How about this? A team's win-loss ratio is 9:4. If the team has 45 wins, how many losses? Can you help me with this?
Me?
No, all of you
Do
send in
we
chat.
send our answers in the chat?
In chat. Yes, Vaibhav.
Okay.
Vaibhav, is this class easy for you?
Sort of.
I know, Vaibhav.
Mm,
Yes.
I think
Oh,
I
my
sent mine.
video is not on. Why don't you say, guys? I always want everybody's video on. Yes.
Oh,
Yes, that's right.
I don't know.
Vihan correct. Adrit correct. Siddh correct. Vaibhav correct. So, okay,
is
I'll help you, ma. No problem at all.
did my answer come through or did it not?
I don't think it came through, ma. So,
Oh.
9:4. See, ma, this is what it is. If for every 9 win, there were 4 losses. Okay. That means if there were 18 win, how many losses is he?
8.
8. How did you get that? If there are
Yes.
27 wins, how many losses?
12.
How did you get it? If there are
Because
45 wins, how many losses?
20.
How did you get it now? That's it.
Because 9 times 5
Exactly.
is 45.
Exactly. Yes. 2 ratios, right? See, the thing is, I always write there is always 2 quantities to compare. Win by loss. You get it?
Yeah.
So now LOSSES. Okay. Now 9/4, right? That is the ratio, part by part, winning part, losing part. So now you have to find equivalent fractions. You know how to find equivalent fractions?
Yeah.
Yeah, 45 by what? You're just going to find out equivalent fractions. That's all. So we are just reviewing last class, guys, still. Okay. I really want to make sure we are really good. Okay. Then only I'll go ahead and do this. Okay. I do see only 3 of you submitted the homework. First of all, I don't know why. How about this?
I don't even know.
You don't even know what?
Oh, yeah, I turned mine in.
Okay, good. Arnav, you have to answer from here. Yes, Kanishka. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Complete the table, meaning ratio table was what we discussed last week. I'm just reviewing that. Meaning ratio table says 8:1. Books by boxes. The order is important. For every 8 books, there is 1 box. Right? Now 24 is to what? What is to 3? 40 is to what? What is to 5? Can you fill up? Izzy, can you tell me what comes instead of the circle?
Yeah.
What's the text 6.4C?
Oh my God, that is the benchmark. Don't worry about the benchmark.
Okay.
That is for me. You got it?
Okay.
Okay, now go ahead.
It's
Good question, Vaibhav. Go ahead.
1 second.
I'll wait for you, Ma. Okay, this one Siddh is going to answer. This one Vihan is going to answer. This one Kanishka is going to answer. Next, I'm going to ask Arnav. Arnav is going to answer what you know. This one. This one Arnav is going to answer. Come on, guys.
Should
Tell
we
me your values.
annotate on the board?
Yes, you can, Sid. You don't have to ask at all.
I sent my answer in chat for the first 3 rows.
Oh, wow. Shri Manya, I'll ask you. You just joined, right, Manya?
Yeah.
Oh, good job, Arnav. You got it. 3:5. Wow, good job, Arnav. You're getting it. Proud of you.
Did I get everything?
Yeah, Arnav. Hey, Sid, these weren't on the test. Yes, I have not given a test on this to you
Or
yet.
not the test, sorry, the homework.
This were in the homework. This was in the homework. So you did not do the latest homework. That's what it means. I'm going to check now.
I did.
Okay, let me check. 40:5. Good job. Adrit, I think you got it. Vihan.
I sent the blanks for all of the questions.
Srimanya. Okay. Vihan got it. Very nice. Arnav. Arnav, where is the fill up the blank in the board?
Sorry if my answer is a little confusing.
Not at all. Okay, I'm good. Vaibhav. Your answer 1:3, 2:24. What? 2:24. Vaibhav.
That's a typo.
3:5.
No. Like number 3 is 5.
Vaibhav, what comes here, Vaibhav? What number comes here?
Huh?
What number comes in the circle?
Wait, which number is that?
What number comes on the circle, Amma?
Oh, that's 3.
3. What number comes on this question mark?
24.
Here.
Yeah, 24.
24. Good job. So you understood ratio tables. Good job. Okay. Arnav, proud of you. You got everything correct as well. Interesting. Okay. And now, guys, so I'm going to move into harder problems. Meaning, let's see. The thing is, you did only 20 questions in this, right?
Wait, for what? The homework?
Yeah.
No,
The homework
40.
was 40.
40.
40.
Miss Priya, I can't
Yeah.
erase.
What, ma?
I can't erase it.
Don't erase it. I'll take care of it.
Okay.
Okay. Now, guys, they always give you two quantities. Okay. When two ratios are equal, what is it called, guys? When two ratios are equal, what is it called?
It's basically like an equivalent fraction.
That's true, but it's called something else. When you have two
Proportional?
ratios, when you have two ratios equal, what is it called? You
Proportional.
constructed a proportion. Okay, we'll not say as equivalent fraction hereafter. Okay. I will say 1/2 is equal to what by 6? You are filling up the proportion here. What is x?
So it's 3.
3. So you're filling up the proportions. You got it?
Yeah.
Now, whatsoever, they'll always give two quantities. Every time, whether it's a graph, they'll give you two quantities. Here, what are the this one I'm going to do. This one is, see, it has sugar, flour. Those are the two quantities, right? I'm always going to create a ratio here. See, sugar cups is 0.5 flour, meaning every time the level of sugar is 0.5 flour. So now if flour is 1, let's say 1 cup of flour means substitute in here. Flour is 1 times 0.75 is 0.75. Now they are asking flour is 6.4.
So
What is
multiply
sugar,
both
guys?
of them. You multiply both of them.
So what do you do here? You have to find the ratio. Please find out the ratio.
Oh, the
Flour by
ratio.
sugar. Flour by sugar. Create a proportion. Flour by sugar. Always you have to create proportions because these all work based on proportions. So 1 by 0.75 equal to x by, I'm sorry, 6.4 by x. You don't know that, right? How do you
Yeah.
find it?
That's times 6 by
Times
4.
6.4,
So that's times
0.75 times 6.4. Tell me what is the answer, all of you.
4.8.
Yeah.
I think
4.8. 4.8.
Yeah.
Priya,
Yeah, 4.8.
Good. Can I move on to the next question? Kanishka, did you
Wait,
understand?
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
Yeah,
can
I'm
you
writing it down.
explain? Can you explain how it was?
Absolutely. I really like Izzy. Izzy did not understand. You know, she immediately stopped. Oh, auntie, I did not understand. How nice. I really like this. Okay. So, Izzy, see here. Sugar. Sugar is one quantity. Flour is the other quantity. Correct, ma?
Mm-hmm.
So, they are saying for a recipe, sugar cups is equal to 0.75. Sugar is equal to 0.75 times flour. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
That's what they are saying. That means what? Sugar is more or flour is more?
Sugar.
sugar.
Sugar is more?
They're both equal.
No.
Sugar is more.
Flour is more.
Why do you say flour is more?
Because if sugar is 0.75 and flour is 6.4, then
Oh.
wouldn't that be?
Yes.
Sugar.
Uh,
No, sugar is 0.75 times the amount of flour. So isn't
Oh.
sugar bigger?
If
But
you
that's
multiply
4.8.
any
when you
number less
multiply
than
a
1,
number by 0.75, that number decreases,
Yeah,
right?
because it's less than 1.
Oh, yeah.
This I
So,
taught you. So what happens? Vaiba, which
Yeah.
is more?
Flour.
Flour is more. So when you think about, or if you're getting confused, right? Put 1 on the flour. Sugar becomes 0.75. Which is more?
Flour.
Flour is more. So sugar will always be 0.75. Flour is 1. That is the ratio.
So
Got it?
basically, it's 0.75 times 1. So, and sugar is 0.775 and flour is 1.
Exactly. But when I ask you for ratios, you cannot write to me like this. Please understand, when I ask for ratios, both should be in nice integer numbers. You got it?
mhm.
I'm just giving you a sample. Here it is 0.75 by 1. But see, flour is 6.4. So what should be the sugar they are asking?
Since you wait.
Since you multiply by 6.4 here,
Oh,
you
it's
should also
4.8.
multiply this by 6.4.
And
6.4 times 0.75 is what? Take away the decimals, okay? 5 fours are 20, 6 fives are 30, 32, 7 fours are 28, 2 6 sevens are 42,
4.8.
54. Okay, 10,
Right.
1.
4.8.
Yeah, so 3, 4.8. Do you all get it? 4.8 cups.
Won't it, like, when you asked which one is bigger, when you like get 4.8 is less than 6.4, so that's why flour would be more, right?
Correct. Good job.
Okay.
Can I
Because
move
I
on?
thought you were talking about something else.
So you can also basically do 1 times 4 and 1 times like
Miss Priya, I need to write it down.
What? Vaibu, please continue.
so you can also do 1 times 4 times 7.75 times 8. Wouldn't that also equals 6.4?
1 times?
1 times 1 times 4 plus 0.75 times 0.8. Wouldn't that also equal 6.4?
Yeah.
Miss,
No, right.
Miss,
1 times 6.4 is 6.4. The denominator you should compare with the denominator, right, Vaibhav?
Oh, okay.
You got it?
Yep.
I have a question.
Yes. What is your question?
Uh, when I was learning in school, they told me to use this way.
Which way?
This one, like this is flour and this is sugar,
Mm-hmm.
and this is 0.75, and
Mm-hmm.
the top is this one was a 6.4, and they put one over here, and they said try finding like this way.
Perfect. That is also fine. See, however you understand, the representation is the same. It is the
Oh,
same, right, Arnav?
yeah.
You are again constructing a ratio table, right? Flour, sugar. Flour means wherever is the flour, you have to put that 1, 0.75. They're asking for 6.4 flour. What is it they're asking, right? So from here, how did you go? Times 6.4. Again, here as well, you have to times 6.4. That perfectly makes sense, Arnav.
Wait,
Can
I need
So
to see the table.
it's sort of a linear equation.
Yeah, it is actually. When you look at it, we are talking about proportional relationship, multiplicative relationship between two quantities. Make sense?
Wait 1 second. And yeah, I'm done writing it down.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
The table actually makes a little more sense.
Table makes sense, then we will do tables.
Yeah.
For me, anything is okay, ma. Whatever you
Yeah.
want to do, I'll do.
Both ways are like fine, but
No problem, ma. I'll do table way, no problem. Go ahead.
I
Convert.
understand tables a little less sometimes.
See, it just depends on how our brains are wired up. Okay,
yeah, it's the same
doesn't
thing
matter as long
anyways.
as you don't make a mess with the concept. Okay, whether you follow table, whether you follow the equivalent fraction method, making proportions, everything is one and the same. Convert 1.5 days to hours. What do we know about days and hours? You tell me. I'll follow table now.
One day is
1 day
24
24 hours.
24
What is
hours.
1.25 days then?
Well,
Well, basically 0.25 is just 1/4 of a day.
Good one.
yeah. So 1/4
Of a day.
of a day is
One
6, right? 6
yeah.
hours?
Yeah.
Or
So
six
So
plus 24 is 30.
30,
Good
yeah.
job, guys. Hey,
It's
Vihan,
actually
you seem to be too quiet here. This class, you should not be too quiet. You have to shout out just like everybody. Okay, Vihan? Thank you. You can as well shout out. It's okay to go wrong. Okay, how about this? Does this form a proportion? Meaning, I told you about proportions, right? When two ratios are equal, then it's a proportion. Is this in proportion? You find out. I'm going to wait and watch. Is this in proportion?
Do we send yes or no in the chat?
Yes. Chat la answer. Yes, that's better, because I want to know what everybody knows.
Can we put an explanation why it's
Would be
yes?
nice. Srimanya. Good job, Srimanya. You have been too quiet too, right?
I sent my answer.
Yes, I saw. Adrit correct.
wait, what?
Vaibhav correct. Arnav correct. Okay, guys. I feel like
Wait, I'm sending my answer right now.
Okay,
Miss
I'll
Priya,
wait.
can you explain it
Wait,
for me?
Miss Priya, can I give an explanation on the chat?
Yes, you can give explanation on the chat.
Miss Priya,
Uh-huh.
I don't understand proportions.
Yeah, okay. Did you form equivalent fractions? Seema, this can be written as a fraction, Maizi.
Hmm?
This can be written as a fraction. They're asking whether they are equivalent fractions
Oh,
or
I
not.
got it. I got it. I see it now.
So ratio means you can write it as equivalent fractions. You should remember that the numerator denominator should not have decimals.
Is my answer correct?
Answer I already told you. Yes, it is in proportion. Make sense? Okay, so you all did the first 40 questions, right? I'm going to make you do a couple of harder questions, okay? Let's see this one. How about this? So what are the two quantities here? Power and time. Kilowatt hour and hours. Those are the two quantities. Can you draw a ratio table and send me the answer for this one? Sri Manya, you can explain this to everybody. I'm going to wait and watch who gets it.
What is kilo? What? hours.
Kilowatt hours. Kilowatt hours is the power. A machine is using that much power.
So in 3.6, it uses 1.5 hours.
Correct.
Okay.
3.6 kilowatt hour it's using in 1.5 hours. Don't worry too much about the science about it.
Yeah, I just
Math
when,
only I'm
when
bothered.
when the words are confusing, I get confused about the problems.
Yeah, but
Miss Priya, I don't get the problem.
I sent
why
my
don't you form a proportion, Ma? There are two quantities. You don't have to be worried at all. There are two quantities given. Form the ratio table. Oh, wow. Adrit.
but I don't. But table. What do you mean by table?
Okay, can you explain your way? How did you do? You got the answer, right?
I multiplied.
Please explain.
Yeah, I multiplied 3.6 with 8 because that's like for me that's a simple way, an easy way.
But wouldn't it not be equal because it equals to 1.5 hours?
Adrit, go ahead and write down Adrit. Explain. Or
Oh, I
others,
think
please
I
Can you
send in
check
your
my
answer.
answer?
I can definitely check your answer, Ma. But that seems wrong, Adrit.
Really?
Uh, yeah, each of you are telling one answer.
I'm confused.
Same.
Even I'm confused now.
I think I got it.
I think I
Just
know
one
the
second.
answer.
Yeah,
Okay.
me too.
So, what are the two quantities? What is the table I am going to do? Power, time.
Power.
Time
So, this is
and
3.6 in 1.5
1.5.
hours. 8,
Uh-huh.
you don't know what it is.
Mhm.
Correct?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Now, what can I do about this? It's so hard, right?
Can't you divide
You
8 by 1.5?
Can I create a proportion for power by time, power by time? Everywhere power by time should be equal. So 3.6 by 1.5 equal to watt by 8.
8.
You don't know
0.24?
how 1.5 becomes 8. I don't know, right? So you know
Yeah.
what? I'll divide by
Yeah.
1.5. 1.5 is
Oh.
given. I'll divide by 1.5. It becomes 1. And then multiply by 8.
Oh,
That is
that's
the
so
easiest
much
way. So
easier.
here as well, for 3.6, I'll divide by 1.5 and then multiply by 8.
Oh, that's
Miss
So
such
that
an
Priya,
is
did I get it
36
right?
by wait, ma, let me finish explaining. 36 by 15 times 8.
times 8.
Now, what is
Oh,
36 by 15? Can you simplify? Yes, by 3,
13.
right? Yeah, 13 times 8 is what? 104 by 5,
104.
which is?
Um, 20.
Which is 20.8.
Yeah, that's so
Oh.
much easier.
I missed it by 0.1.
Yes, I saw. So guys, you need to be careful when you don't know how to multiply and get it right. Go to 1. It's the easiest you can do. Go to 1, insert another one, go to 1. So you divide by 1.5.
I did
Now
it
this is
a totally
36 by
different.
15. You divide by 1.5 and then you multiply by 8, multiply by 8. Arnav, did you get it?
I did it a totally different way.
How did you do?
So I basically figured out how many 1.5 hours would be in 8, and then I multiplied how much that would be times 3.6.
Good, that's
What
nice.
I did was I tried to figure out I divided 3.6 with 1.5 and I multiplied that answer with 8.
So what was the answer? 20 point?
20.8.
20.8. Okay. So answer was 20.8.
Yeah, I must have made like some type of simple mistake.
But did you get it now?
Yeah.
It's so much easier when you divide it to make it 1 and then just multiply it by 8. It's so much easier.
I know, right? Yeah. I hear you. 1 minute. Ma. 20.8 was the answer, right?
Yeah.
That was a mistake in the answer key. Oh my God. That's hard. How to save?
Here. Is it in our homework?
Yes, ma.
What
I
question was it?
am a little,
What question was it?
63. 63, the answer seems incorrect there. I don't know why. Let me check.
60.
63.
It says it it says the answer is 19.20.
Yeah, ma, but
19.20, that's also 19.2.
yeah, 19.2. So 20.8. I changed it. Okay. Now, guys, let's go ahead and try this one. Let's try the unit rate. Unit rate means the denominator is always 1. Do you get it?
Yeah.
Unit rate means the denominator you have to make it equal to 1. Manya, did you get it, ma?
Yeah.
Okay, how about this? Meaning, again, you're going to frame ratio till you understand ratios well. You got it? Let me see this one. This is the last question on ratio, and then one next on rate I'm going to give you. See, this one is on rate. Rate means only thing is the denominator is going to be 1. Meaning, in the ratio table, you have to find for 1. How about this? You know what you need to find? Number 1, number 2. You're going to put question numbers and then send the answers to me. Shall we try?
Mhm.
Try. A car uses 2.4. Yeah, both you have to do. Please put the ratio table or form a proportion. Arnav, can you do it on the board for me? How do you
Proportion.
feel, Vaibhav, about this class?
It's easier than the regular class,
I
definitely.
see. Okay. You're able to do?
Yeah.
Good.
Miss Priya,
Mm.
are you erasing it?
No. Oh, you're not able to see? Oh, sorry, you're doing it on the board. I'm sorry, I did not see. Go ahead.
Oh, see,
2.4 gallons.
60.
I really appreciate Arnav. Immediately you're doing really nice. So he's making a proportion. See, he's making gallon by miles. Oh, he's creating a ratio table. Okay. But from 60, you can't go to 225, right? What will you do, Arnav?
I'll go to
1. Yeah, 1 is our intermediate, right? Go to 1. So 2.4 divided by 60, right?
yeah,
Arnav, let me write that down for you. 2.4 divided by 60, right, Arnav?
yeah.
What is 2.4 by 60? You tell me, Arnav.
2.4 divided by 60 is 1 sec.
Vihan, did you get it? What is 2.4 by 60, ma?
I think it's 0.4. Oh, no, it's 0.04.
Uh-huh. You're going to tell the answer to me now.
Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma.
So number 1, I'm a little confused. Number 2, I'm confused on that one, but I have an idea how to do it, so I'm not sure if the answer will be correct.
Miss
We can
Priya, I
check.
think I got 25.
Okay, let's see what are the answers for the others. There are 2 questions. I don't know what you're answering. You have to send the answer to me, number 1, number 2.
I sent both of my answers.
Yeah, ma, correct. Wait, ma. I saw that you sent. Wait.
I meant 60.
Good job, Vaibhav. Good job, Vihan. Good job, Adrit. Good job, Sid.
Miss Priya, I'm kind of
Arnav, I need the answer, Arnav. Don't ask me to divide. Manya, first question is right.
What?
Kanishka, what is the help you
I
require, ma?
Miss Priya, I'm confused for question 2.
Why are you confused? Create the proportion.
Okay.
Gallons by miles. Gallons by miles. I'm not saying you cannot get confused. I'm asking to just figure it out. Write it down and then ask me questions. Arnav,
Yeah,
is the answer 25?
Never mind. I don't need help. I
I think so.
Can you do it on the board then? See, once you put your brain into it, nobody requires help once you understand the concept.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. Vihan, good job, Vihan. Vihan, are you understanding? Are you comfortable?
Yeah.
Good. You can voice out. See, everybody is chattering. Everybody is very chatty here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can chat too equally.
Okay.
I sent my answer for the first one. I'm still working on the second one.
Hey, Arnav, it is not 60 divided by 2.4 Arnav, it's 2.4 divided by 60.
Oh.
Yeah,
I got it.
denominator is 60, so 60 should be outside.
I there.
Doesn't matter, go ahead and do.
Okay.
It's my answer.
I'll check, ma. I'm going to move on to the next topic, guys. Manya, did you get it, ma? Yes, ma, Pranavi. Easy corrected. Please do the second.
After you do 2.4 divided by 60, do you do that answer times 225?
I sent my answer for question 2.
Yes, correct, ma. That answer times 225. Correct, ma. Correct, Manya. You're right. Did you get it, Manya?
Yeah, I got it. I just need to do the math.
Okay. Okay, how about this guy? You're okay?
Yeah.
Guys, I'm going to review this. What are you doing in school, ma, Pranavi?
Let me think hard.
Yeah, think hard and tell me.
Well, we
Uh,
finished our ratios already. We're my God, I don't want to go get my math.
what is that?
Oh my God, I have so many classes I can't remember what we're learning.
You don't remember?
Wait. I think I have.
Okay. Kanishka, what are you doing in school, ma?
Oh, can I tell you? I remember.
Yeah, you can.
So we're learning about like I think it's proportions, like like uh, can can I annotate? I don't know how to explain.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Like like I think it's getting erased. So I don't know why. Oh. And then like that, remember? And then
Pranavi, we are doing proportions. That's fine. Vihan,
yeah.
what are you doing in school, Vihan?
Simplifying algebraic expressions.
Okay. So that's the next topic. I'm going to move on, guys. Okay. So now, you know what? In your Google Classroom, for your information, there is one another test coming up. What other test is coming up? Let's see.
Benchmark. It's not here for me. It's not.
Wait, Amma. So in your classroom, when you go to your classwork, benchmark 4. Please make sure you all complete benchmark 2 and 3 test. Okay. Benchmark 4 test is coming tomorrow. Does that make sense?
Oh, sorry.
One
I
question,
forgot
Miss
to take
Priya.
off the end.
Yama?
For the benchmark test, do we like you wanna if we turn it in like in that app or website that we're doing the test on, do we like also have to turn it in Google Classroom? Because that's what I did.
That will help me meaning to understand how many of you did it.
Okay.
I did the work and then I didn't know what to do. So I just turned it in and it said that you didn't attach any work to it. So
Because the test is given there in the link, right?
yeah, but um I turned it in. Just letting you know.
Okay, how about this? How about this? I am going to see tomorrow the test for benchmark 4 is coming out. Okay, so you're all going to do that. Okay, in the meantime, do you all know what is an independent quantity and what is a dependent quantity?
No.
You all know
Yeah.
what is a dependent quantity, what is an independent quantity in a graph. A graph always compare, see, graph has x-axis, y-axis, right?
I
Please, all of you
think
listen. Graph has x-axis, y-axis. What is this point called, Vaibhav?
The origin.
Origin. So x means x represents a quantity. One first quantity, second quantity. Which is the independent value? Which value you can assign yourself? Any number you can assign. What is that quantity? X represents your independent quantity. You can just keep allocating some numbers in the X. Now, Y quantity, right, always depends on X. Okay, it might be increasing or decreasing, meaning see, X values, if you put 1, 2, 3, Y will change based on X. Okay, Y will change based on X. Let's say Y is equal to 3X. Now, what is this? The input X is multiplied by 3 to get the output. This is sometimes called the output. This is called the input, right? Input you can keep on changing. You keep changing 1, 2, 3. What will happen to the output? Output will change based on my input, right? So the output is called the dependent quantity. Any questions here? Whatever varies, okay, based on the other quantity, that is dependent on the independent. Independent means I can assign any value to it, but as it keeps changing, the other value depends on it. Yes, Kanishka, what is your question?
I was gonna say when you said, "Do you know what an independent and input a dependent was?" I was gonna say that, but it's okay.
Okay, now tell me, Kanishka, since you wanted to say in this table, which is the independent quantity, ma, what changes because of what?
I don't get what you're trying to. I don't get what you're
I
saying.
get it.
Read the table given in the board. On the board, there is a table.
I think the independent is
What depends on what?
I think the total cost depends on the cupcakes.
Good. So, what is the dependent quantity? What is the dependent quantity?
Total cost.
Yeah, cost. That you should put it on the y-axis. What is the independent quantity?
Number of
The
cupcakes.
number of
Number of cupcakes. That will, you will put it on the x-axis and draw the graph like this.
So I got
1
it.
cupcake, 2 cupcake, 3 cupcake, 4 cupcake. You got
But
it? Number
Yeah,
of
I got it right.
And then total cost is, this is 3, 1 comma 3. See, x comma y. And
I
then 2 comma 6.
I still don't get how you find the independent and dependent quantity.
It's just that, ma, contextually, practically think of what will depend on what, Pranavi.
But also the number of cupcakes will depend on the cost.
No, it won't. You can increase the number of cupcakes.
That also.
You can increase the number of, that is your input. Only when you increase the number of input, then your cost will rise.
So you can't decrease or increase your cost.
No.
Oh, that's why it's dependent.
Yeah, that's what is dependent. We'll
Oh.
do more, don't worry. How about this? Always, usually, let me give you one example. Time is always independent. Time can keep on running. You get it?
Yeah.
Time can keep on running. Okay. But whereas, let's see.
I
How
couldn't
about
see it on the board.
usually, no, I didn't put
Oh.
anything. Usually, time is always on the x-axis. If there is time, time is always on the x-axis. A graph shows the total distance Harini walks as time passes. So here, which is the dependent, which is the independent quantity? Now you tell me. Which is the dependent, which is the independent quantity?
I think the independent is the minutes and the dependent's the meters.
Very nice. So on the x-axis, what will you put?
Minutes,
Good. On the y-axis?
meters.
Distance in meters. Any questions, guys? This is independent. Minutes increases, distance increases. Make sense, ma?
Mm,
Yes, so
Dependent. You'll
it's
surely get it.
okay.
Let's see. I'll give you more. We'll work on more and you'll just be fine. Let's see. If there is any mistake, you'll have to. How about this? See, here, can you write out the relation between x and y? See, I've given you a table, right? Tell me the rule. Tell me the rule between x and y. They have given x as hours, y as.
Times 2.
No, how will you write the equation?
Oh.
Equation means equation should involve the two quantities. They have called the quantities as x and y. Now, can you write the relationship? Relationship means you're going to write the equation. Yes, Vihan.
Uh,
So I learned independent and dependent variables, but like not in math class. I learned it in science.
Oh, nice. Okay. So that's the same thing in here. Now, in this table, all of you write the equation. Equation means you're going to write the relationship between x and y. Siddh, I'm asking for an equation with x and y, I said.
Oh.
The generic rule is what I want. I don't want you to say 1 times 8 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16. That I know. But I just want to know what is the general relationship. If the input number of hours is x, what will be y? Sid, good job.
Miss Priya, my computer is at 19%. Will it last through the class?
You will have to decide. How will I know? Based on your computer usage, it all depends. Pranavi, you have to charge it and come here after every time you're asking the same thing. Now, number of hours is x, pay is y means if you're asked to write the relationship means, or they'll say write an equation means if x is the number of hours, what will you do for y? This is always times 8 times 8 times 8. So, x times 8 will be your y. So, 8 times x is 8x. So, y will be equal to 8x is the
8x.
relationship between x and y. The input is always multiplied by 8 to get the output. Kanishka, did you get it?
Yeah, like we learned this in class.
Uh-huh.
It's cool.
Very nice. How about this? I'm going to go a little bit farther and ask you to write an equation. A bracelet costs $6 to make plus $2 per bead. Oh my God. Then what happens? If I have X number of beads, what will be the cost of the bracelet? So which is the, which is the independent quantity here? Which is
The the
Bracelet?
the the number of money plus per bead.
the number of beads is the
Oh.
independent quantity.
Yeah, that's what
So
I
what
meant.
is the dependent quantity?
The how much the bracelet costs.
Cost of the bracelet. Good. Now consider y as the cost of the bracelet. That's what they've given. Consider y as the cost of the bracelet. Consider x as your number of beads. Can you write out the relationship between x and y?
Y equals 3x.
Please send it to me, ma.
Was that correct though?
I can't say, ma. Because everybody is working and we need to respect everybody's time. Arnav, please send the equation to me. Pranavi, it's incorrect. Manya, how are you saying that, ma? Manya, was that an answer to this question?
Which
Miss
one?
Priya, I don't understand.
Could you do, you know how it's like, could you do divide by 3?
Okay, let me go ahead and show you guys. See, guys. Okay. Now,
No,
let's
because
say
wait, Miss Priya.
I'm going to write a table. Number of beads and the cost of the bracelet. Right? Now, number of beads is 1. What is the cost of bracelet? It costs $6 to make the bracelet plus 2 per bead means there is only 1 bead. 2 times 1. Now, number of beads is 2 means the base cost 6 is always added. 6 plus 2 per bead means 2 times 2. If I have 3 beads, again the base cost to make the bracelet plus 2 times 3. Now, if there are x beads, right, how will this change? The changing number, you put it as x. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
So, the cost of bracelet y will be equal to 6 plus 2x. Did you guys get it?
Yeah. Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
can I go to the bathroom?
Yes, ma. Vaibhav, did you get it? Vihan, did you get it?
I got it.
Arnav, did you understand how to write the equation?
Yes, I
Sid, did you
understood.
understand how to write the equation?
Yes.
Okay, can I give you one more question? Can I give you one more question?
Mhm.
Okay, now how about this? You
Yeah.
are, see, we are discussing both relationships. Some may be direct multiplication, then that is multiplicative relationship. Sometimes it might involve addition. You need to be very careful. Okay, so here what do you think? It's an additive relationship or multiplication? A gym charges 20 membership fee plus $5 per class. So is this addition or multiplication?
Multiplication.
Multiplication.
Why would it be multiplication?
It's
Because
both.
It's
one
both. It's both. So
Yeah.
basically, if there is both, then you sort it out as additive because there is addition involved. You see, it's not direct multiplication.
How is it um
So just write
one
out the
one
just
times 25 is 25, 2 times
just
25.
write out the table now. Meaning, I'm going to write out number of classes, number of classes, and the cost. So if you have one class, how is the cost calculated? Izzy, can
25.
you tell me? Izzy, can you tell me how is it calculated, ma? Or Manya, tell me how is it calculated?
25 cost.
Huh?
25 because it's $20 for the membership and then $5 per class.
Oh, good. That's nice. So let's write it down. Very nicely said. So I will write it nicely, however you said. 20 plus 5 times 1. Then number of classes is 2 means what, Manya?
20 plus 5 times 2.
Ah, now there are x number of classes. How do I write it? 20 plus
5
5 times? See,
times
whatever number is here, you are going to put it there. 5 times x. So, cost y will be equal to 20 plus
20 plus
5x.
5x.
There is additive relationship here. You got it? If you
Make
directly get
sure.
5x, then it is multiplicative relationship. Why? Because you are multiplying a number with your input to get the output. This is multiplicative.
So
Okay.
is the X standing for multiplication?
Yes. 5 times x. If there is no operation, it's multiplication.
So basically, am I correct?
Sid, if you're attending the class, you can't be watching something there. Go
So
ahead.
basically, I'm correct then.
Basically, you're correct. I did not see Vaibhav. Wait. Yes, you're right. Okay. Sid, that's correct. Okay. So you're going to write out small equations like this for next class. Vihan, does it sound good? Okay. Can I stop here, guys?
Mm-hmm.
I will give you this homework, and in the ratio rates, you have several other part remaining, right? So please do that and come. Okay. There'll be
Okay.
2 homework, one on ratio rates, one on equations.
Okay.
Make sense?
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
look, I drew this.
Oh, wow. Lovely lady.
And I have more.
Oh, wow. Very talented. Good job. Nice.
You want to see my notes?